welcome back to our channel. So, as you can see, we got up at the crack of dawn today, and it's super early, Monday morning, and concrete's coming. Concrete's coming at 8 o'clock, so everything is nice and wet, and we should have solid concrete, hopefully by this afternoon. Okay, there you go.
Hey look, there's a marmot eating my comfrey.
Well, look at that. We have concrete once again. Whoa! Solid concrete. There you go. Well, it's the garage really, but it might be the she shed. Who knows? Might have to park some horses in the stable. Or some Harleys. Woo! The guy dropped it off. We gave him a hand with the old Ford tractor. Go Ford go. And the missus and I just packed all the tin. So that was really cool. We got our engineering drawings. And there's this really good company in the RDOS called alphatrusses.ca. If you're around here, check them out. They're super good. The guy's name is Steve and he rocks. So there you go, Steve. And these papers are the engineered truss drawings for the building inspector. to make sure your roof will stay up, and it gives you the layout instructions, the bracing instructions, and the engineer's seal. So that's what the building inspector looks for. And this is instructions to me on where to put all the braces on the trusses, the diagonal braces and the longitudinal braces. There's a bit of a method to that, to ridging up the roof before you put the sheeting on. And today is the first day after the pour. So you'll notice in the sprinkler, we got the slab nice and wet. The concrete finisher said to keep the slab nice and wet for 7 days, all daylight hours, and then turn the sprinklers off at night because it's not going to evaporate as quick. Although this morning, I noticed that the water was evaporated just from the fact that of the chemical reaction in the concrete. So we'll take a quick look at this, that flat slab, and next shot will be standing walls. So that'll be super cool. Can't wait for that to happen. So stay tuned for an awesome adventure on the 24 square garage build. Okay, so on the garage build, I was gonna share with the YouTube following the simple plans that you could develop your own simple garage on your property. You won't have to hire an architect or an engineer or anything. So you're permitted a 24 square mono raft slab, and that's an easy pour. You just saw us do that. And you can just stand up the walls and put the trusses on. So you can do that yourself and cut your costs. So here I'll show you these simple plans you can copy as you want. And it's a 2-bay garage. Drawn on simple graph paper. So here, let's take a look.
You should say it's for our area.
The cross section shows you the footer, the mono raft slab, and the various details. Cross section. I got the paper on top to cover our location. Otherwise, we got too many fans coming over. The drawing. You can copy this exactly. This is the 2 garage doors, single garage doors. You notice the roof vent that will let the heat out in the summer. Back wall is just blank. You can put a window in there if you want. Here's the side entrance with a little window. And here's the other wall. You can add windows if you want to. And I just did it on quarter scale graph paper, 24 by 24. And that will get you into the building department to submit your application. So there you go. Columns for the carport. Extra columns. Make sure you keep your concrete nice and wet when it's nice and hot in the summer. So it's slow to cure. You want the slow to cure for like 7 days or longer if you can help it. So I just been hosing these, keeping them nice and wet. I'm gonna strip the forms today and then hose them more. And then the main slab, every day for 7 days will keep wet. Looking, it's not ponding. Maybe quarter inch. Perfect. Okay, well, thanks for coming along. Make sure you subscribe, tell all your friends, and we'll see you next time. Okay, cheerio.